What's good, budget family? It's your boy SNKRHDZ Budget. We out here doing a quick restoration on some white cement 3s that I got on eBay for a steal for $47. Now, let's get to the video on these shoes. Not these. Not these. Awkward. I'm still working on these. No, I'm gonna finish you. I'm definitely gonna finish you. Just, a lot of times I don't feel like it. But I'm gonna finish you. You gotta repaint the midsole, gotta fix this patch up front, but I'm gonna finish you. Like, yeah, I was starting this last month. I'm gonna get you going. I already started on this. Like, yeah.
I think I made it, cause I'm always smiling and you're the reason now.
Alright, budget fam, before we get started, there's a few things we need to do. We gotta repaint this midsole over here, the white's coming off. We gotta repaint the back, the black is coming off right there. There's some scratches on the shoes. We do want to try to whiten that back part. So we're just gonna give our best try trying to do all this. We have to whiten that front part right there. You know what we gotta do first, we gotta start the cleaning. So we're gonna start with the Rejuvenator, and then we're gonna start with the SNKRHDZ or the Volume 40, however it's called. Then we're gonna try to whiten those sides in that back panel so we can get started. Alright, y'all, after you leave it out there for about an hour on each side, we're going to go ahead and wipe that down. We don't want to make sure that that SNKRHDZ is off there. We don't want to damage the material. We use that acetone and cotton balls. I use this because it's better than cotton balls. For some reason, cotton balls was messy for me. So I'm going to go ahead and start that process of prepping. Use that tape. I am not a steady hand, so I use tape. If you're a steady hand, then you don't need it. But I know my limits, and I know that's something that I am not. So pretty much I'm going to use the tape. And then I'm going to use the paint. I will leave a link in the description below for the paint. But yeah, so this is just me just prepping it out, trying to make sure it's correct.
The champ is here! The champ is here!
Chili Mac.
The champ is here! The champ is here!
Flow can't be seen. Like it took one in the face. I'm heavy, nigga. Toe can't be seen. Like I'm repossessing a Chevy, nigga. Don't hang with those niggas. Those can't be safe. Even in they panic rooms, I will soon be florist to the floor of it. Stethoscope to the door.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.